Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a personal finance dashboard in Google Sheets. So you can go and open any browser that you want, and you can go to docs.google.com/spreadsheets, or you can go to sheets.google.com. Both will take you here, and of course make sure that you're logged in into an account. If not, just go and create an account. It's going to be very easy. So now you can go and start an example with a blank spreadsheet. Of course, they have here some templates that you can use as well if you want to. As we said, we want something for finance. Let's see if they have something for finance. So it seems they have two things for finance. They have Google Finance Investment Tracker. Okay, it seems like the same one. So as you can see, yeah, it's the only thing that they have. They have this template for finance, as an example, investment tracker. It is up to you if you want to use it. It might be useful as an example for you. Let's just go and open it up, because this video is fully depending on customization that you want, depending on what you want. So if you want like this, you can use it and you'll be able to customize it however you want. You can just go and select stuff and edit it like however it suits your needs. But if you didn't like it, again, you can just go and go back as an example. So I'll just leave and start with a blank spreadsheet. So up to you. Now, as an example, you can start first of all by a name. And for me, let me just go and name it personal finance. Let's just add dashboard. So as an example, we can use this as our dashboard. So now you can go and set up at least 3 tabs. 3 tabs, one as an example should be for transactions. So transactions, the other one should be as an example for categories. And the last one maybe I don't know, maybe dashboard in here. So in the transaction tab, you'll be able, basically this is when or where you will basically enter your expenses and income. Maybe you can add something, so you can make it bigger. I'm not like an expert, so I don't know how to use like those stuff and things like that. So anyway, so in here, on maybe the transactions tab, you can add maybe some salary, some as example description of the income, maybe type of the income, amount of the income, or maybe something expenses as well. So basically here you'll enter your expenses and income. So maybe job income, you may do like, I don't know, 1,000, and maybe groceries expenses minus like 200, and maybe, I don't know, you have a ChatGPT subscription, $20 maybe that you have to pay, and just use positive numbers for income and negative for expensive. That will help you configure everything. You can also, in the categories tab, just create a simple list for like some drop downs. Maybe you should have maybe here job income, food, subscriptions, transportation, shopping, saving, and you'll use this basically to create some drop downs in your transaction sheets. And you can add drop downs in transaction. It's just optional but helpful. By selecting example, you can add the drop down by selecting the category as example of the column. You can even select it all, maybe all of it, maybe not this. So example, something like that. And you can go to data and again, go to data validation. And in here example, you'll be able to add some rules. So drop down, and of course the drop down one, maybe as example, I'm just going to let it like that. So option 1, option 2, you can add even like another options. So maybe option 3. You can assign some colors if you want to. Same color here. So we just change color. And you'll be able to change it from here. So on the dashboard tab, you'll be able, or this is basically where you can show a summary. It starts by adding some sections, like you can do here in equal. And you can type like some, if maybe the transactions, income, and a lot of other stuff that you can do. So some if, as example, you can do something from here and stuff like that. I don't know what you want to do exactly, or what customization do you want. So it is a little bit hard to explain what to do exactly, because this video is about customization. It's what you want to add in your spreadsheets. Basically, you can just go and add an example on the dashboard, some total income, total expenses, maybe net balance, and you can of course also add some final touches like use some cell formatting for currency, bold headers, colors. You can add some charts for visual insights, spending over time, pie chart, And you can add some conditioning formats into highlights, some high spending as well. Maybe something if it's passes to minus maybe 300 or 200, maybe it's a high expense or something like that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.